Marx says that ideology doesn't matter. What is more important? Economics is more important or ideology is more important? Economics. Economics is very much objective. And that is economics is based on private property, class divided society. Therefore, Marx says that I don't believe ideologies. And what are ideologies? Ideas of ruling class. And ruling class create a false consciousness. Are you listening word properly? There is a consciousness first. False consciousness second. Class consciousness third. So ruling class create a false consciousness through what? Ideology. And how ruling class creates a false consciousness? Democratic government, constitutionalism, social contract, liberty, equality. These are false consciousness because they are not addressing the basic problem of society. And what is the basic problem of society? Private property and division of classes. Marx is not addressing the core and root cause of problem of society. That is the problem of capitalist. That is the reason. You know that what is a consciousness? Because every individual is having the reason. So everyone is thinking. So we are having consciousness. And what we are conscious of? My existence. We are very much conscious of what I am doing. We are very much conscious of my labor. So everybody is having consciousness. But what is a false consciousness? Recognizing state as a welfare state. That is a false consciousness. What is a mirage? False consciousness. If you look mirage, that is example of a false consciousness. Mirage is an example of false consciousness. And here, consciousness, false consciousness, and workers are looking for heaven for their salvation, false consciousness. Because workers for proletariat are thinking that after obtaining heaven, their every pain will demolish at all. That is not going to happen. What is a false consciousness? We are searching that how we can become happy through the democratic system, through the state, through the government. We want to make a government welfare state. False consciousness. A state can't be the welfare state. A religion is merely opium. Who creates false consciousness? Capitalist. Who need false consciousness? Capitalist. So you know that why capitalists create, according to Marxism. First, capitalists create an instrument of coercion, that is state. But then capitalists came with ideology, religion. Religion means if there is a problem, if you are a poor, then believe me, in past birth, you did something wrong. If somebody is rich, then in past birth, they did something very commendable job. And therefore God became very happy. And God gave him too much prosperity in the present life. Therefore, religion is a medium that how we divert our real cause of problem in society. What is real cause of problem in society? What is the root cause of problem in society? Economy. Root cause is a economy. And where we are searching a solution? Non-economic. That is a problem. We are searching a solution in heaven, and Marx simply says that problem is related to the economics and solution you are searching in religion. Can't we find out? Problem is economic and solution is a political. It's impossible to search. That is a trademark of liberals. Liberals want to solve economical problem through moral mechanism. You know what Mill says that? Mill says that if people are becoming moral, then automatically we can remove poverty from the society. People must be moral. People must be very much sympathetic that who is living next to me. If they are under suffering, we should help them. They are not at all addressing the root cause of problem, that is a capitalism, private property, class-based society. Therefore, it is a false consciousness. And then, for Marxist, nationalism, false consciousness. Constitutionalism, false consciousness. And then, it is a class consciousness. What is important for revolution? It is a class consciousness. What is the consciousness? If we are recognizing that our problem is because of capitalism, that is a class consciousness. We are recognizing that our problem is not related to religion. We are deprived, we are marginalized because of basic reason of the capitalism, private property, and the class. If we are recognizing that, it is an example of a class consciousness. And how we come to know about class consciousness? See, being a student, if you are demanding for the reducing of rent, it is a not class consciousness. Because now students are living here in the cities. You know that this is the class. Once a student, you are feeling that you are a student. You may be from Maharashtra, Karnataka, anywhere else. But what you are recognizing that from? We are a student community. Don't you feel this kind of a feeling? Class consciousness. Similarly, what workers will feel that they are not belonging to a nation, caste, religion, but they are belonging to particular class because their position is same in economic status. Class consciousness. And why consciousness? You know that you are demanding for reducing the rent. Even last year there was a student protest broke out here in Karlobag. Students were demanding that rent must be reduced. We should not charge much. Their demand is not class consciousness. What they should demand for? जिस घर में रहूंगा वो घर मेरा. क्लास कॉन्शियसनेस. जिस खेत में मैं टिलिंग करूंगा वो खेत मेरा. वो लैंड किसकी होगी? मेरी होगी. क्लास कॉन्शियसनेस. कि व्हाट इज द क्लास कॉन्शियसनेस? Just you must ask for, you are all unnecessarily purchasing share of Reliance and this and this. You will purchase a share of Reliance, or you will purchase a share of Reliance, or are you looking for a real share and partnership in the Reliance? And what is this class consciousness? मैं कमाल की बात है. आप तो रेंट कम की बात कर रहे हो. मार्क्स रेंट की बात क्यों कर रहे हो भाई? ये कौन है? जिस घर में जो रहेगा उसका होगा. किसी के पास 3 घर कैसे होगा? किसी के पास 3 घर है और आप खोपचे में रह रहे हो. जस्ट बी यूनाइटेड, read out a lesson of revolution, and then start the protest. What will happen? Suddenly, instrument of bourgeois come in the middle. And what is instrument of bourgeoisie? That is a state and government. That is the idea of class consciousness. You know that Maoists are the fully class consciousness. Maoists are having the class consciousness. That is the reason they are fighting against state and government. And here we are worshipping state and government. Because we are more influenced by capitalist ideology. So we are under false consciousness. And Marx is speak for class consciousness. And Lenin says that class in itself and class for itself. Lenin used term class in itself and class for itself. What is the class in itself? Laborers are class in itself. Class is not new. Class has always been there. The peasants are not new. Because class in itself means every class, working class, class of peasantry. But class for itself means generation of a class consciousness. When class becomes for itself after generation of a class consciousness. And let's see why there is a false consciousness. Students are demanding for employment. Oh my God. Students are demanding for reservation. This is not a class consciousness, false consciousness. And class for itself means this is the mentality of trade union and how trade union fight for increasing wage, betterment of condition, working condition. We are not fighting for that. What Marx says that what is our purpose? To fight for changing government or fight for changing the system. And how you can change the system? Through demolishing capitalism, revolution. And that is the idea of Marx.